So this is a breadboard. This is what we use to connect circuits together temporarily, so we can test them out. It looks like just a piece of plastic with a bunch of holes in. But what you need to know is that each of these lines are connected. They're separate from each other, but these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes are connected. So if I connect one into here and then connect something else into here, it will make a connection between those 2 points. However, if I connect something in here and in here, there won't be a connection. These are separate lines. So they run in a series of strips of 5. Okay. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put the main circuit into that. So we're going to cut open the anti-static bag. We're going to remove the little mini computer. It's been put onto some foam just to protect it, to protect the pins. And then we're going to place it very carefully so that this first pin here lines up in this first hole here. Okay, and it should just clip into place like so.